So here I am at Jumeirah Carlton Tower in London, in Knightsbridge. I'm going to take you inside our room, which is 618, and show you around. So as you walk in there, this is the small foyer area, whatever it is. And got the bags there, not the actual bags, but yeah. Come through here and you got a nice desk there and a mirror, telephone, sitting area, mini bar, and where is it there? Mini bar. And snacks, coffee machine, all that sort of thing. It's my wedding anniversary with my wife, so they've done up a lovely bottle of sparkling date juice, which is like champagne for Arabs, you know, because Muslim. Then you got strawberries, chocolate coated strawberries, and a lovely card there from guest relations manager. It's really a lovely hotel, this hotel. Really look after their customers, Jumeirah does. Desk there. Then you've got over here a sitting area with a desk and that, as we were. Nice sitting area there. Then over here you've got TV that obviously swivels around and comes up and down, which is fantastic. And some storage closet space here. TV goes and hides away there, which is good. More storage there and closet space. And lovely giant bed there. It's always a good thing. There you go, TV's away. It's in Knightsbridge. Harrods is just that way there, Sloane Street, overlooking the lovely garden. You got a plane there that's about to touch down at Heathrow. It's a fantastic day in London, as you can see. And then out here you have a nice balcony. You can see the Shard if you look just where my finger is. It's the Shard. Sloane Street. All the boutiques and that down that way. It's fantastic. Lovely view. Now I'll just take in and show you the bathroom. Just take in and show you the bathroom. Got molten brown amenities there, soaps and things like that. Bath mat. It's a nice setup. Toilet. Everyone wants to see the toilet, and the shower, which has got a rain shower and a head shower. Jumeirah Carlton Tower. Anyway, so that's the review of the Jumeirah Carlton Tower in Knightsbridge in London. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching.